Hello, this is Jerry Taprom. My two children, Robert, Rosalind, and I have just arrived in the city of Yangon, formerly known as Rangoon. We came here to visit the places where we have been conducting evangelism and church planting in this area. Upon our arrival, a senior pastor, Makum Kang Joseph, led prayer of thanksgiving for our safety arrival in Rangoon. After that, I visited with all evangelists and asked them how the situations are where they've been serving and conducting evangelism and church planting in different communities and villages around Rangoon area. Rosalind has brought some medicines to give to Cyclone Nagi's victims, so she is arranging and dividing those medicines while her helpers are writing down descriptions on how to use those medicines. While Rosalind is busy with arranging medicines, I review about the work with evangelists, and they reported a very exciting news about how the Burmese people are turning to the Lord overwhelmingly. The next day, we visited to Yuji village, where Brother Batin Ong has been evangelizing and has established a home church.
Waiting for the harvest and the time of reaping, we shall come rejoicing, bringing in the sheaves, bringing in the sheaves, bringing in the sheaves. We shall come rejoicing, bringing in the sheaves, bringing in the sheaves, bringing in the sheaves. We shall come rejoicing, bringing in the sheaves. Going for the reaping, sowing for the master, though the loss sustained our spirit often grieves.
Most of the villagers' homes are flooded and surrounded by water. As we walk around the village, Rosalind gives candy cancers to the village kids. We shall come rejoicing, bringing in the sheaves. This is one of the houses which Cyclone Nargis has blown away, so we fixed this home later. This is one of the families who attend this village home church.
Sowing in the noontide and the dewy, waiting for the harvest and the time of reaping, we shall come rejoicing, bringing in the sheaves, bringing in the sheaves, bringing in the sheaves. We shall come rejoicing, bringing in the sheaves, sheaves, bringing in the sheaves. We shall come rejoicing, bringing in the sheaves.
And Sunday school. This is a huge village. We are about to enter the house that make the worship service and also Sunday school every Sunday for all this community.
Today is not Sunday. That's why those people who worship at the church, home church is not here today. But we did that, the family who live in this house, and we prayed with them, and later on, left some Sunday school materials for this home church to use. And then we departed.
ไม่ได้ให้แม่นะแม่กินมัน